Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a LENOVO Tab E10 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Let's tap on it. And then let's scroll to find the display option. Now let's tap on advanced and tap on the wallpaper. And as you can see here, we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from, so the Google Photos or the wallpapers which are pre-installed on this device. And as you can see here, we've got some options. We can simply tap on it to check the preview. And let's find something interesting maybe. Of course, here you can tap on My Photos and you will be transferred to your own files. So if you've got something, for example, downloaded or you've got your photos, you will be able to set them as a wallpaper. And as always, I cannot really decide what I want to set, so let's choose this one. As we can see here, you can decide where you want to set the wallpaper. So on the lock screen at the desktop, which is the home screen, simply mark the option you'd like to use and then tap on Set Wallpaper in the right upper corner. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.